Hello, this is Dr. Kalim Khan here, and I am the mentor at Terna Global School of Business. In my capacity as a mentor, my attempt is to drive Terna towards an education philosophy which fulfills three very strong tenets of postgraduate master's education in business management. And I personally believe that these three tenets should be the driving force for any postgraduate course. And that's exactly what we intend to do at Terna. One is the ability to build perspectives and critical thinking when you are a part of this course, simply because as a professional, these are two things that will be driving career all along. Second tenet is that this education should be career defining, and career defining here means not only the first job but also about building up an entire career span, an entire span where a person is indulging in what he is good at. And the third and the most important aspect is that almost 99% of the students who indulge in a postgraduate education, this education happens to be their last and final leg of an educational journey. And therefore, the course has to be offering not merely from a post 2-year exercise point of view, but from an education that sustains a lifetime thereafter. So therefore, it has to offer not merely from a post 2-year course point of view, but from a pure lifetime point of view. And I think at Terna, the entire educational premise is about fulfilling these three tenets. The course structure, the course design, the faculty members teaching it, the curricular, the extracurricular activities planned are all in sync with these three tenets that we spoke of. And finally, any student who comes up over here is desirous of a placement activity, and there is a very strong placement support that is guaranteed at Terna. We look forward to students creating a career at Terna Global Business School. In our capacity, to what best we can, the strive is to do what best we can. Thank you very much.